Okay, so you should have done those 3 problems on your own, and let's go ahead and do them together here. We'll do them rather quickly. We are x minus 5 here, so I'm going to add 5 to all 3 sides of this equation. That's going to leave me with negative 2 is less than x is less than 9. And there's no other actions need to be done. Our second one, in the middle, I've got 2 things I have to do. The first thing I'm going to do is subtract 4 from all 3 sides. That's going to leave me with 6 is less than or equal to 2y is less than or equal to 20. And then I'm going to divide all 3 sides by 2. That's going to leave me with 3 is less than or equal to y is less than or equal to 10. And the y is by itself. It goes low to high, so it's done. Last problem. We're going to add 1 to all 3 sides. We end up with negative 6 is less than negative z is less than 2. Or excuse me, that's wrong. 4. And then I'm going to divide everything by negative 1. And so that becomes 6. Remembering that I'm dividing by a negative, I need to switch that sign. That becomes z. This is negative 4. And remembering that I'm dividing by a negative, I switch that sign. And then, of course, I need to make sure that I remember that my numbers go low to high, left to right. So that means I need to move this negative 4 over here. And I need to make sure that the inequality sign matches. The negative 4 was smaller, so that becomes a less than z. And then this needs to be a 6 over here. Of course, the 6 is bigger, so I need to make sure that my inequality sign matches what that says right there. So I have negative 4 is less than z is less than 6. Again, you got questions, comments, something's not working out, let me know. If something in the comments, I'll do my best to get back to you. Our next example, we're going to be solving for an OR statement, which is very, very similar to solving for an AND statement. It's just that since it's not compound, we're really just looking at 2 inequalities. So when we're solving for an OR statement, just solve each inequality, right? Solve each of them. And we're not doing anything special. We're just following the rules we already know. So I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides, and that leaves me with 2x is less than 6, not 5. And then we're going to divide both sides by 2, and we're left with x is less than 3. Or I'm going to add 6 to both sides. We get 3x is greater than 18. We're going to divide both sides by 3. We get x is greater than 6. So my final answer here is x is less than 3 or x is greater than 6. And we are done. Again, if we wanted to graph that, there's my 0, there's my 3, there's my 6. So it's less than 3, so open circle to the left, greater than 6, open circle to the right. Alright, and that is the end of this video. Go ahead and go back to your Canvas lesson. There's 2 more questions for you, and you can watch the solutions on the next video.